CBS 11 News exclusive. We were there today as Lockheed Martin workers held a private company ceremony marking the end of the F-22 construction contract. Building of the crucial mid-fuselage section here in Fort Worth began all the way back in 1995. And for workers, including many who have been there since day one, today is bittersweet. Early this morning at Lockheed Martin in Fort Worth, the very last mid-fuselage section, the heart and soul of the F-22, was loaded and packed into a crate.
Be proud of what you have done. You deserve it.
Then, just before noon, with the crated fuselage center stage, employees gathered to say goodbye to nearly 2 decades of very personal work.
There's a lot of blood, sweat, and tears.
Wonderful plane, a lot of good people, a lot of hard work. This bird was, heart of the nation, and it's sad to see it go.
After a short ceremony, doors on the crate holding that fuselage were closed. It leaves for final assembly in Marietta, Georgia tomorrow.
F-22 mid-body number 195 is now ready for ship.
Everybody's here. Last fall, CBS rare F-22, a 5th-generation fighter with stealth capability, super cruise, and advanced avionics. The work done in North Texas to build the midsection has meant jobs and worker pride.
For me, I took it personal, it was my airplane.
Despite the close connection to the project, funding for the F-22 has been cut. And most recently, the aircraft has been grounded by the Air Force because of problems with corrosion in older models. There will be arguments over how and why there are problems with what was seen by some as the future of American superiority. But there is no argument over what this project meant for the roughly 500 North Texans who worked on it.
We knew those our troops flying that plane, and there's just a lot of honor and pride in it, and this aircraft that we built.
Some of the workers on the F-22 have been lost to reduced work over at Lockheed, but the vast majority have now been reassigned inside the company. Most will now move on to the F-35 project.